Here is another great custom made out of Diesel 10, and this was an opinion of our subscribers who told me to paint black with silver stripes Diesel 10 to make it with evil face, to make it look close to Diesel 11. So we painted black, satin black with silver stripes. Very cool model and creepy looking Diesel 11. So let's put it in the trucks. And this is the Diesel 11, actually Diesel 10 painted black with silver stripes. Very cool model. It is a great addition for the custom Trackmaster models. Pretty awesome. So this beautiful model takes 1C battery, completely restored engine. Very cool, creepy model.